The 13.8 Android 12 car radio audio player emerges as a revolutionary solution, specifically designed for Land Rover Range Rover Sport 494 Lira models from 2013 to 2017. Available on Aliexpress, this innovative device seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, enhancing both functionality and entertainment while preserving the original car stereo system. Let's explore the features and benefits that make this audio player a must-have upgrade for Range Rover owners. With its plug-and-play design, installing the 13.8 Android 12 car radio audio player is a breeze. There's no need for complex modifications or wiring, as it seamlessly integrates with the original car stereo system. After installation, all original functions remain intact, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade process. Experience seamless connectivity with built-in CarPlay functionality. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, you can effortlessly sync your smartphone's information with the Android radio, eliminating the need for separate CarPlay devices and saving you money in the process. Additionally, support for Android Auto further enhances compatibility and convenience for a truly connected driving experience. Effortlessly control various features and functions using simple voice commands, enhancing safety and convenience while driving. Moreover, HDMI support enables connectivity with headrest displays, allowing passengers to enjoy multimedia content on long journeys. Experience premium sound quality with the TDA7851 amplifier, delivering immersive audio performance that elevates your driving experience. Advanced Bluetooth technology powered by Qualcomm 5.0 ensures seamless connectivity and supports lossless sound quality, providing crystal clear audio for music streaming and hands-free calls.